The ISMGM509E Bluetooth hands-free car charger from iSimple offers a host of features and benefits for any vehicle. In the box you'll find a detailed instruction manual and the ISMGM509E itself, which comes with dual USB ports, a bass boost and rainbow LED function, and micro SD card compatibility. When plugged in, the ISMGM509E will automatically turn on and the LED ring will illuminate. You can then pair your smartphone to the ISMGM509E via Bluetooth. The device will appear as Car Kit and an audible beep will confirm the device's pairing. Once connected, you can stream music from any desirable platform, charge smart devices via the USB ports, and take phone calls whilst driving using the various buttons shown. For more information concerning the ISMGM509E, contact us via the details on screen or head on over to connex2.com.